Having all types of problems once again today. Having the problems. Having so many problems. Are we live? I need my computer. I need my freaking computer back. Trading on this Mac and dealing with all this craziness. All right. We're live. What's good? This morning, what we got here? Let me move this way. There we go. Oh, now we're looking good. So this morning, I actually got a trade here. I woke up, I'm still on East Coast time, so ended up getting a trade in my funded account this morning. You can see this morning, this little trade right here from the 66s up there to the 77s for a quick and easy, I think, $1,700 there. So locking in $1,700 there in the funded account, easy, one trade this morning. And yeah. Not a bad way to start the morning. Starting in the green here, $1,700. Let's go. So I ordered a new computer, by the way. I got a new computer. Ordered that yesterday. I got it from Newegg, actually. Got it from Newegg. All right, this morning, so far, what we looking at here? You can see the low so far today, 31 area. The high up there at the 86s. We'll see what happens here at open. If we look here on the 15-minute chart, this low yesterday, this is the low of day basically, I think, what, yesterday, right? Was down there at the 31s, I believe, 9:45. The problem is I don't know if my clock is on the right time or not here. No, this is the wrong time. This is on, my clock is on fucking, I gotta change my clock to East Coast time here somehow. Hold on, I need to change my clock. I got my, this is on my Mac. So my Mac is on the wrong time right now. Whatever, I guess it doesn't really matter, but. So my new computer should be here tomorrow. That's the plan. Tomorrow morning, so we had that was not the low of day yesterday, but that was the middle of the day. That 30 area held as support, that 130. I think it was like at the end of the day, kind of yesterday, middle of the day. We held that 30 level, we pushed up there to the 50s. Right now, sitting there at that support there at the 30s. Will we break to the downside here? If we break to the downside, you're thinking from the 30s, you got a pretty nice move, kind of like down here in the 15, 10 area again to the downside. So I apologize for the audio. I apologize for the overall setup right now. This is not my normal live streaming setup. I'm doing what I can while I can, or doing what I can when I can, or whatever. I'm trying to make it work here for you guys, but it's obviously not ideal. So I wish it was better. If you guys haven't hit that like button, blow up that like button. Let's go. We got 100 likes. Let's get some likes on the stream, baby. So today we're gonna be starting out. We got the step 2 of the combine, step 2 of the Topstep combine. We're day 2. Yesterday we hit $3,000 in profit. If you guys remember yesterday, I talked about, I put a trade on and then I got off the stream and I said, hey, this thing's pushing over 40s by the end of the day. And where did we go yesterday? What was the high yesterday? My friends? 50s, baby, 50s. So basically put that trade on there and I said, hey, this thing's 100% gonna push over 40s by the end of the day. and we pushed all the way up there to the 49. So ended up locking in that profit yesterday, over $3,000 in profit there in the step 2 of the combine. And right now on the 15-minute chart, definitely looking a little wishy-washy. I'm not in love with this setup right now. I don't have all my charts. See, it's like I'm trading blind right now. I know it's not your guys' problem, but it's definitely weird to like not get all my info that I normally get. I need my info. I need my charts. Yeah, I haven't even like, normally I'm looking at the SPY chart. Normally I'm looking at all this stuff, and it's weird. I definitely feel like I'm trading blind right now. Looks like, yeah, 25 pivot, and then up there, another pivot above 70. We hit a high on the CPI data, 86. Yeah, the microphone just might have a buzz to it. Might be a buzz to it. I apologize again. It's not my normal microphone. I'm using like a wireless lavalier that goes into the camera. Yeah, it's probably just noise over the lavaliers. A lavalier is wireless. That's the problem with wireless, is you normally get a little bit of feedback. So I apologize again. Like I said, this is not my normal trading setup, but hopefully by Thursday we'll be back to normal. I mean, I think it's just the wireless I mean, they're just little wireless lavs, you know, little thingies here. Basically using these little Rode lavs. Normally I'm using like an XLR microphone, higher quality microphone, but we got to do what we got to do sometimes. And today we got to do what we got to do. We're doing it. So just kind of sitting back here, waiting and watching to see what happens at open. This 30 area needs to hold support there. Will we hold support there at the 30s? I'm looking for a nice and easy setup today. I just need one easy setup. One easy setup, my friends. One easy setup, hit my $3,000 target, and then we'll be done. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up that like button, please. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Right now, this 30 area trying to hold here. 31, 30 area. That was the kind of bouncing point yesterday. We bounced off that overnight as well here. So we bounced 30s yesterday. We bounced it overnight. 30s needing to hold. We bounced off the 30s after the CPI numbers there as well. So right now, that 4,131 area being support on the chart. This is a 2,000 tick chart we're looking at right now on the Topstep Trader platform. This is the step 2 of the combine. Step 2 of the combine here. And we're getting it going. Like I said, just need pretty much one good setup. That's all we need. Just need one good setup today. Nothing too crazy. Take 10 contracts. Boom, baby. $3,000. Let's go. I almost got it earlier, actually. I ended up taking profit early. I jumped in there at the 53s for this push up. It got stalled out at the 54s, so I took profit, but it went all the way up there to 63. That would have been my 10 handles, so that would have been easy. But we'll see. Give it a little bit of time. Be patient. Right now, the market is going to be opening up, you know, with a lot of just kind of indecision after that data came out. But we're holding that 30 area right now. 30s there on the ES. Looks like there's a pivot point on the ES at like 25 pivot. 25 pivot on the ES here. And we'll see what happens. We got about 4 minutes till the market opens. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Come on. I'm doing it for you. I do it for you guys. I'm live on the internet for you. Hit the like button. I cannot wait to have my computer back. This is frustrating. It's not even that I like need all the charts and everything, but I just like to have it all set up. Like right now, I'm just like all spastic trying to figure out where to trade, how to trade. It's not easy. Yeah, we're still on the Mac. It's not like normally it's, you know, I've got like muscle memory. I kind of have everything dialed in, everything very clean, everything very simple, but right now it's not. I've got like, I'm looking at my MacBook for one chart. I'm looking at my Apple iMac over here for the actual trading. I decided I bought a computer off of Newegg. I think I got like the Asus computer off Newegg yesterday. See if I pull it up here. Where's it at? Where's it at? Don't pull up my address this time. Let's not show my address to the whole entire world. Oh, look at this. I bought the last one yesterday, out of stock now. I got this guy right here. 32 gigs of RAM, 2 terabyte hard drive, 1 terabyte SSD. Got the 380 GeForce graphics card. It was open box, so I think it was like not that crazy in terms of pricing. So we got that one. I think it'll do the job what we need it to do. 3.6 gigahertz processor, 32 gigs of RAM. Cool. And yeah, pretty much everything I need. I think it was like $1,800. So we're ready to go, baby. And it was best as I think I literally bought the last one. There was like, it said one in stock and I bought it. Boom, baby, let's go. So right now, getting ready for the market to open up here in about 1 minute. 30 seconds, actually. 30 seconds, market open, let's go. Seeing what happens here with the 30s at open. Yeah, I'm getting that free gaming headset, baby. Oh, we gotta be locked and loaded with that free gaming headset. And here we go. Market is now open for business. Like I said, let's just be patient. Let's wait to see what happens here with the 30s. Well, luckily I don't edit on my PC. My PC is not for editing. It's only for streaming. It's only for day trading. So luckily we don't have to worry about editing. There we go. Market below the 30s right now, dumping from the 34s already down there to the 24s. Wow. Quick move here, quick move. Let's see how this plays out. Give us some time here. We're looking at the 2000 tick chart on the 15-minute chart here as well. You can see this possible move down. Like I said, below that 30 level, we got the 15, 20 down there. See what happens if we get down to that level. Right now, down to the 22s here on the 15-minute chart. Definitely showing that break below 30s there strong. And then looks like below 20s here, you're looking for maybe 15, 10 area. She's dumping. Just sell, sell, sell right now. Down there to the 18s, 17s, through the 20s. Well, wowzers. Market not liking the data this morning. I know, I'm trading 10 contracts today. I'm gonna trade 10 contracts today. Market down. Fuck, I should have just got short right there at open, huh? I was thinking we'd get a little bit of chop here at open, but that's a nice 10-handle move to the downside right there at open through the 25, through the 30s actually. I mean, we dropped right through the 30s, so almost a 15-handle move to the downside, just literally going. Let's see what happens here at the 15s. So start pushing back up. Right now, the MACD looking bearish on the 3-minute chart. We got some support here. And we'll see how this pops back up. Nice work. Josh got short there at open, covered already. You gotta love it. Nice little trade. Just sitting back here, waiting and watching. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up that like button. We're live on YouTube. Just kind of sitting back here, waiting and watching to see what happens now at this 15 level. At that 15 level. On the 3-minute chart, we got the MACD looking bearish. We got the overall trend pointing down, down, down. Problem is I don't want to short right here at the bottom because we know what's going to happen. The minute that we short, it's going to rip it back up 10 points. So let's not do anything crazy, my friends. Possibly try to push back up maybe in like the 23 level, 24 level, and then come back down. Man, you got a scalp. Everyone's getting their scalps in here. There's that little push back up now. Hit back up to the 20s. Like I said, not trying to short at the bottoms here. Not trying to short the bottom, cover at the top. That's not a good way of trading. You want to make money, that's not the way to do it. Just kind of looking to see if we get a little pop back up, maybe 24, 25 level over this 20, a little squeeze back up. I'm thinking maybe take a long right here and get this push back up, but the minute I know there's that push over 20s. Let's see if it goes to 25s. Not long, not short right now, just waiting. Should have taken that little push back up there. Was thinking we could push up 23, 24 pretty quickly. There's that 24 push. Thinking we're gonna maybe possibly push back up 30s here. What do you guys think? MACD still bearish on the 3-minute chart here. Still popping. There's that push to the 24s, 25s. Trying to pop up here. I'm gonna take a little bit. See if we can't get a quick pop up 26s or higher through this move right now. Trying to get this push up through the 24, 25s. Need to hold 20s here. '20s battling. It looked like it had potential. Just squeeze there. Give it a second to get back above 22 here. If it'll go again. 19 stop. Needs to push through 22s again. Come on through 24, 25s. And did it. Trying to push back up here, but having trouble there at 22, 24s. We literally need to rip right now. There we go. Come on, push back up there. Oh, that was close. Put an order out 27. See if we get that fill at 27 through here. Oh, 2750, 2750. We should get 2750 here. There we go. 2750. Beautiful. Oh, that was a fucking burner, boys. Got the heart puppet right there. Holy guacamole. Holy guacamole, boys. No, I was long. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This guy, he's good. That was I'm not gonna lie, that was gonna be awkward if I got stopped out there. That was 10 contracts, ended up making up $2,300. That last trade was only $1,500 trade, I think. So on the day right now, we're up about on the day $2,300. We need to make $3,000 today. $3,000, and then we're done here in step 2 of the combine. Well, then we're done for day 2. We're trying to do step 2 in 3 days, baby. 3 days, step 2. Come on. I think I'll be the first YouTuber. I think this will little be a fact. If I'm able to pass step 2 in 3 days, I will be the first YouTuber to ever do it in 8 days. 8 days, baby. So literally, we just need one more good trade. You don't have to make $3,000 every day, but the minimum, the fastest that you can do the combine is in 3 days. So, like, I'll show you guys here. Basically, yesterday I made $3,218, and that's my best day has to be below 40% of the total profits made in step 2 of the combine. So, right now, this was yesterday's stats. Right now, we're up $2,500 a day. And then our goal is to hit $9,000 for step 2 of the combine. So the goal, like I said, is to try to get through step 2 in 3 days total. 3 days total getting through here. Right now, just we'll see what happens when this, if we get another, we need one more good trade. One more, just one more, baby. You can see also today trading in my funded account, making $1,700 on the CPI data this morning. You can trade pre-market, you can trade overnight in the combine as well. But this is my funded account right here. Let me pull this up. It's my funded account right here, showing you guys with Topstep today, making $1,700. I'm gonna do a withdrawal live on YouTube, showing you guys the process of getting the payouts for the funded accounts, how it works, how easy it is, and that whole setup. I'm gonna do that once I get my new computer, once I actually have some good audio and all that. But right now in the funded account, we're up about $9,000 total in the funded account, in this funded account with Topstep right now. So I can do a withdrawal for about $5,000 or a payout for $5,000. The first $5,000 you get paid out, you keep 100% of the profits, and then after that you pay you keep 90% of the profits. So there you go. Yeah, if you have a lot of questions, they're all on their website. I ordered the new PC. I already talked about it. This one right here, this MSI gaming desktop. 17. I got the 12th, the i7, 12th gen, 32 gigs of RAM. We got the space. We got the 380 RTX 380 graphics card. That's pretty much all I need. All I'm doing is live streaming and trading on this computer. I don't need the craziest computer in the world. Can you use Topstep if you're in the UK? You can, yes. You can use Topstep worldwide, pretty much every country other than maybe like, I don't know, North Korea. If you live in North Korea, it might be hard to get Topstep. It might be hard to get Topstep in North Korea. There's that push all the way back up there to the 28s. Right now, like I said, we're just waiting for one more good setup here. Pushing up there 33s, nice little breakout 30s already. Like I said, literally 2 minutes ago, I said we're pushing back to the 30s. Rewind the tape. Rewind the tape, people. I would need to like get the replay. That would be really cool. We need like a, like NFL, replay it. A little replay where I just like, it cuts back to where I said we're going 30s. That's what we need. That's what we need. Need the replay. The instant replay. Ugh. right now. Looking to see what happens here. Let's get a setup. We really haven't had a great setup yet. Right now, the market pushing back up there into the 30s now. Yeah, I need like a second person. I need a second person managing. I need a production team over here. Also today I'm going to be uploading a vlog from trading in Hawaii, showing you guys kind of behind the scenes in Hawaii life. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow up that like button. Come on, people. We got 398 likes. That's weak sauce. That's weak. That's absolutely weak. That's some weak sauce. Just sitting back here waiting and watching, looking for some good opportunities for you guys, you know. Now you're gonna hear me talking to myself. But right now, just sitting back. It was pretty weird yesterday, day trading in Hawaii for the first, well, not first time, but after trading in Orlando for an entire week and then coming back to Hawaii, I traded yesterday morning, and then afterwards I went to the gym, and then after the gym I went to the beach. Just kind of had a nice little day. It's so nice because you pretty much get done trading and then you have the whole entire day to basically enjoy. So the perks of day trading in Hawaii, in paradise. We're live from Hawaii. Now we're on Twitter. Why are we on Twitter? Get off Twitter. All right, so we're still looking for this thing to kind of do something right now. Pushing back up. Let's just be patient. That would have been my $3,000 target, but I would have loved to get that just pop up there into the 30s there. Do you get taxed on 90 or 100% of your profits? You only get taxed on what Topstep pays you. So if Topstep pays you, you're basically like, you're a 1099 contractor with Topstep is what I believe. You get like a 1099. So I think I'm not a tax professional. I'm not a tax professional here, but I think that you're only going to pay like self-employment tax, not capital gains tax. Banditos Gaming, we want to see earnings. Yeah, baby, let's go. Make some earnings. Have I found any difference between the internet speeds? Not really. The internet here in Hawaii that I have is like the fastest possible internet that you can have in Hawaii, so I don't think it's Alvaro also in the step 2 of the combine. Let's go. I'm up to 155, 519. So we literally only need to make like another $500 a day. Or maybe actually we need to make like $700, $800. Yeah, but like I said, for Topstep, where's the FAQs here? FAQ. Where's the FAQ? I'm gonna go here. If I look at the FAQs on payouts here, funded account, payouts. When should you take payouts? I don't know. It doesn't say. I'm pretty sure that it's 1099. And there's also the first payout bonus as well. Once you get that first payout, you, I think you get refunded for the combine account Yeah, you get you get refunded for the combine account. So you equal to last month's subscription payment for the bonus. So whatever you, I guess, have for subscription. There we go, up to the 43s now. Market pushing up there. Wow. What the world am I doing over here? Market up to the 40s now, just going rocket shipping. Boner candle, baby. You need 5 green days before making a payment. It doesn't have to be consecutive, though. It doesn't have to be like 5 days straight. It just has to be 5 days in general. So you can have like 1 loss, 1 winner, 1 loss, 1 winner. But as long as you have 5 days total, you can hit that payout threshold. Right now, market pulling back here to the 40s. Oh, yeah, we got the MACD setting up. We got all types of stuff going on. Will we start to get a nice little move up here? Like I said, I'm still blind. I don't have like all my charts that I normally use, but we're trading. We're trying to get this last $700, $800 of profit, and we can get through day 2 of the combine here. Market pushed up there to the 40s. Thinking we get a little bit of a pullback. I'd love to see a pullback here, but let's go. I know I missed the jump. I missed the jump. We got the MACD crossing up. We got the MACD bullish here on the 3-minute chart. We're pushing up there into the 40s now. So just nice and easy, waiting for kind of another setup here. Need some consolidation at this level. Need a little consolidation here. Try to stay above that 30, I'd say 34, 36 level. You kind of want to stay above this 30s now that we pushed up there. Where's the previous day close is at the 50s, right? Previous day close is 150 area. I don't have any of my cookies, any of my Nana's cookies left. I need some more cookies. Gotta FedEx them over here to Hawaii. I'm not covering my P&L. Market trying to push through this 42 area again. We pulled back kind of almost at 38s. Where am I covering my P&L? What are you talking about? Where am I covering my P&L? It's not covering my P&L. The P&L shows up over here, you fuck. Learn how to trade before you come over here and tell me what to do. The P&L shows up right here next to the buy market join bid. Market trying to push up here. See what happens through this 42 area. 44s trying to squeeze up. Taking one little trade right there. Got like a lag on it. That was a terrible fill. Wow. Let's see if this just pushes up through the 48s next. Get through this 46s up to the 48s. $48.75 is all I really need here. Should have been a little bit more patient with that entry there. I got a terrible entry. I got like, it lagged for a second and filled me at 46. I was trying to get in there at 45s. Still looking good. Let's push through here. 43s, trying to hold up there. Get there to that 46s next. Try to push up there towards the 50s possible. Uh-oh. Possibly getting stopped out here at 38. Let's see. FOMO'd into that. If we can hold here 38s, come on. Almost stopped. We give it a little bit of room here at 38s just in case we bounce here off 38s again. Well, that was silly. Let's see what happens here. 38's trying to hold up. Giving us some room there. Beautiful. Let's squeeze back up. 46s. So trying to get this push above 46s, push up there 48, 75. Once again, saving the day by moving my stop just a little bit. Just a little tiny move there on the stop. I'm gonna save my day here. And then trying to push through 46s again. Let's go 48, 75. Take some profit, 48, 75. Trying to get this push through 46s here. Having some trouble there. 46s. Let's go 48s, baby. Come on, baby. 48.75. Take me. Take me. Take me. Take me, baby, right here. About to get filled. About to get filled. About to get filled. About to get filled. And there we go. 48. This guy is too good. He's too good. The guy is too good. That's too good. God. That's pretty funny. Pretty funny. So on the day right now, in the combine, step 2 of the combine, up 3,700. I think we might need to lose a little bit of money, to be honest. I think we need to lose a little bit of money. Matt LaRue, guys, don't fucking, like, I get it, right? It's not the best trade ever. We're trading the combine. It's okay. Let's relax, everybody. I can take bigger risk in the combine, you know? This is all for fun, basically, at this point. You know, I'm trading. I don't even have a fucking VWAP. I don't even know where the VWAP is. You know, I don't even know where the fucking VWAP is. I literally am trading on my iMac right now. I've never traded on this computer my entire life. And people are gonna give me shit right now. Get out of here. You know? I know I can put it on the chart, but I don't even want to. I'm just trying to trade. Just trying to trade, man. Let me trade. We're still making money. People always just love to talk, not walk. Up there to the 52s now. We're still pushing. This is my funded account right here. For anybody, all the haters out there, One trade this morning, $1,700. Done. Boom. Easy. I'm not even going to mess around with my funded account anymore because, like I said, I don't have, like, I still don't even have all the stuff that I need to trade. I'm literally just doing this stream for you guys. So I think I made 36.39 today. I think that's okay, right? 3,600 is okay. Can I do the, anyone do the math? I think someone said yesterday 3,600 is 40%. What's 40% of 9,000? Let's do the math. 40% of 9,000. I guess that would be 3,600. Yeah, we're good. We're good. So we're done for the day. Step 2 of the combine. Day 2, hitting our profit target here in live on YouTube for you guys. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We only have one more day left in step 2 of the combine and we'll be through that. So I think I might be the first YouTuber to ever do it in 8 days. I think it, look at that move now, all the way up there to the 55s. Was it the best entry ever? No, it was not the best entry ever. Everybody like critiquing me right now, but it's still, come on. I think I'm okay to be over $39. As long as it's not like a massive amount over. The best part is I wouldn't have been stopped out either way because it only hit 38.25, but I moved my stop down a little bit thinking that we would bounce off this 38 level. Again, you know, this is for show. This is entertainment, guys. We're just trading the combine for fun to show people that it's not, you know, it's not impossible. People think that like the combine, the rules and that Topstep makes it impossible for traders to get in through the combine, but I'm pretty much showing everybody that it's not impossible. Last week we got through step 1 in 5 days, this in 1 day, but basically 5 days the minimum. And then this week we're up to $6,000, almost $7,000 in profit in step 2 of the combine. Don't want to risk, don't want to lose. What should I do? I need to lose $100. I try to short the breakout here. The other day, one time I tried to lose money and I kept making money. I feel like I want to do the opposite of what's going to happen right now. The market looks like it wants to go back down here. But I want to buy. I want to lose money. It's hard to think about how do I lose money on this trade here. What do I want to do? Maybe get long here, but this look, it's kind of push it up. Oh, maybe get short. Maybe get short. I only got one contract. I'll get a short right here. See if I can't lose $30. Oh God, I'm gonna make more money. Fuck me. Go up, go up, go up. All right, there we go. Now we're good. Now we lost the money. I think we'll be good on the day now. Under 3,600, yeah. So $3,597 on the day. Perfect. We're perfect. God, it's hard for me to even lose money. It's hard for me to even lose money. I'm that good. It's hard for me to lose the money. It's hard for me to lose money, man. The funny part was if I would have gotten long at there, I would have made money as well. I did the opposite. I had to lose money there. Holy shit, Nashin gifted 10 Patrick Wieland memberships. Wow. Legend. Holy crap. Nashin, what? Did you mean to do that? Did you mean to gift 10 memberships? Well, thank you for the support, my friend. That's awesome. I appreciate you, my friend. I appreciate you. Thank you, thank you. Big thank you to Nashin for gifting 10 contracts. That's $50 basically. We spent $50 for the fam, coming through for the fam here. Let's go to members only to celebrate. Members only, chat. Let's go. We're up here just dancing right now, just dancing up in the stream. Market pushing the 61s right now. Holy crap, roly. We're still going higher, baby. Let's go. We can't lose. It's just nothing but win, win, win. If you guys haven't hit that like button, blow up that like button. Let's get 600 likes here on the stream, or I'm going back to bed. I'm going back to bed. Let's do I want to do a vlog, do the vlog premiere. What do you guys think? That was fun the other day. We did a little video vlog. We watched it together. Let's do it again today. Let's do, we'll do the vlog premiere here at 12 o'clock, noon. Vlog premiere, doing the vlog premiere. I got a special guest on the vlog today. Special guest, professional surfer, investor, stock market investor for the last 18 years, actually, Shane Dorian. We talk about stocks all the time. We work out together, but the reason that we became friends was because we kind of started talking about stocks and stuff, and then we were like, hey, we should work out. And then I was like, hey, we should talk about stocks. And hey, we should just be friends. Okay. What time is it on the East Coast right now? It is 11 or 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. So we got 2 hours still until then. So let's do 6 o'clock. That's 11, 7 o'clock a.m. here. It's 12 o'clock. Yeah, we'll do a 12 o'clock premiere for the vlog from yesterday. Market pushing up here. Look at this reversal off the bottoms. God damn. From the 15s, guys, back up there to the 60s. Is everybody green? Are you green today? Is everybody fucking green today or what? Let's see. Let's see. If you're red right now, I feel sorry for you. I literally couldn't even lose money if I tried. I'm an idiot, and I literally took terrible entries. I took 2 terrible entries and still somehow made money. The guy just can't lose. He's too good. But look at that fucking bounce. Holy shit. Off the bottom there, guys. Look at that thing. Oh my God. Talk about buying the dip this morning. You can see we bounced. What's interesting is we bounced right off that 15 resistance there from yesterday. See that 15 resistance yesterday? Look at that. We bounced perfectly off that, turning that resistance into support there and ripping back up there to the 60s now. Still going. I'm telling you, this team don't lose. This team don't lose, baby. If you're part of the Patrick Wieland team, you're just making money. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Pushing up there to the 60s right now. I would say it probably would be good to get some type of pullback here, you know. You can see, look at this move right now on the 2000 tick chart. Would you just look at it from the lows down there at the 15s? I got long earlier at the 24s. That's about a 40 handle move to the upside there. And the funny thing is I like don't even know. Doing it all live right here on YouTube, showing you guys the trade, showing you all the fun. Dominique with the Fibonacci's. Creeping Knight, he's back, he's in. Well, he's in, he's out. If you guys haven't hit that like button, come on, let's go. Let's get 700 likes here on the stream. Come on, come on, come on. Turbo Tuesdays, baby. Turbo Tuesdays. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. How many of you guys were bearish this morning? That's what I really want to know. I want to know how many people this morning were bearish and thought the market was going down, down, down today. Anybody? It's okay. You can admit it. You can admit it. You know, you can put your hand in the air and just admit that you made a mistake. It's okay. You know, it happens. It happens. Don't you love it? Don't you love when the market does the exact opposite of what you thought it would do? You gotta, I mean, it's just, you gotta love it. The market is, it's just a cruel, cruel bitch. And the funny part is, you know, we sold off there at open hard from the 30s down to 15s, but ding, 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 ding. That was your setup there. Look at this thing breaking back the upside. What a rip. If you had gotten long at the 15, 14 area, oh, guacamole. 50-point move. $50-point move. Graham, stop trying to read it. That's what you guys got to stop doing. Don't try to read the market. Just fucking wait for the price action. You know, don't have, look at this, to the 70s now. It just won't stop. From the 58s, right up there, the 68s now. What a ripper of the morning here. You gotta love it. Hey, we've all got stuff to learn. I mean, even I can be better, you know? It's never that simple. But look at that move up there, the 68, 79s. I mean, 68, 69s. I would say we're going to the 80s for sure. I think we'll test this high of day again, where that CPI number printed at the 86.50 area. Definitely looking like that. It's crazy. We literally have not had like a decent pullback either. The MACD's been bullish since like 940. So pretty much like MACD got bullish here on this candle and it's just been ripping higher. Now up there to the 70s. We got an ES pivot at the 74s, correct. Pivot point there at the 4,174 on the ES. Todd got through step 1 of the combine. Let's go. Congratulations to Todd. Step 1 of the combine done. Now step 2, the hard part. Honestly, step 1 of the combine's pretty, I would say, the easiest. It's pretty easy. Not having to worry about scaling or not having to worry about the 40% thing. Step 2 is a little bit more difficult. You got to be more consistent. But, you know, it's part of it. It's good to be challenged. It only made me a better trader, to be honest. Going through the combine only made me a better trader. And I know people are gonna be like, well, you just say that because you're sponsored by Topstep. But honestly, like, for the first time in my entire life, I talk about this all the time, but for the first time in my entire trading career, I had to follow somebody else's plan. I had to follow somebody else's rules. And, you know, I think it's definitely good to have a rules other than the ones that you're enforcing. I had a meeting yesterday as well. I had a meeting yesterday talking to a company about making a TV show. They were talking about a couple different formats. Maybe like the one format was basically like trying to get a bunch of day traders into like one house, and everybody has to like try to make the most amount of money in a certain amount of time. I think that's going to be I think it'll be a lot of drama, so we'll see what happens. Put me in a TV show, baby. Netflix. Coming to Netflix sooner than later. Patrick Wieland. The world's not ready for me on Netflix. Could you imagine me in a house with a bunch of other traders? Oh, that'd be a lot of drama. So market pushed up there to the 70 level. Right now, pulling back here a little bit. I mean, at this point, I would love to kind of get more of a pullback, maybe some more consolidation before this thing just goes up to that pivot there. 74s next on the pivots. We got a lot of fair value gaps here that are looking nice. I told him they should get Raul, Lambo Raul. I was like, you know who you gotta get? You gotta get Lambo Raul, because I could just literally talk shit to that guy all day about how big of a fucking clown he is. All on the Netflix show. It would just, I think to make the show the best that it could possibly be, you just put me in a house with a bunch of fucking tools, and yeah, just let me just talk shit to all of them. Put every other day trading YouTuber in one house and let me just grill them all day. David, I can't really use my indicators right now. I don't have my computer set up the way that I need, so. Benno, another tool in a toolbox. Yeah, go fuck yourself. I mean, put me in a room with like 5 other YouTube day traders. Benno just wants attention. He's just a sad little man. He wants attention. It's okay. He just wants me to say his name, so that's why I wrote that. I get it. I get it. Are you all bearish yet? Nope, not bearish yet. Look at that, from 64 back to 70s here. Oh, God. Need some... Where the music at? What kind of music we gotta play? Need the music up in here. Can you trade Topstep through TradingView? Yes, you can. Getting tighter and tighter here at the 70s. Look at that little pop back up from the 64s right back up there to the 70s. And I was just kidding as well, Doug. I want my username to be Doug. Pat. I'm gonna change my Instagram. I'm gonna change my YouTube channel to Pat. Benno, hey, you made a joke, I made a joke back. It was just, we're having fun. Relax. I'll give you your membership, your $5 membership back if you want. Send me your PayPal. I'll send you $5 to refund you. Dora's backpack song. I don't know if I should be singing Dora the Explorer songs on YouTube. That might get weird. Am I from Philly? I'm not from Philly. I'm from Florida. Born and raised in Florida. Yeah, the problem with trading through TradingView is that there's a pretty big lag. I've noticed. I've tried it. There's definitely a lag, and other people also have said that same thing. So must be from the Yankee part. Fuck no, I grew up in the country. I used to wear cowboy boots and Wranglers. I had a belt buckle. Used to ride horses. Cowboy life. I'm a cowboy. I'm a cowboy, baby. All right, so right now here in the combine today, step 2 of the combine, we're up $3,700, doing it all live for you guys right here. No other screens, no other bullshit. You can't say that I use a different account, blah, blah, blah. You guys all saw the trades live right here on YouTube in the moment. They were a little scary, to be honest. A little scary today, but we still got it done. And what's funny is look at these entries. I don't want to look at those entries. Fuck. A little scary today, Patrick. But I'm also trading with 10 contracts here in the combine, which I would normally not do, a little different. But you can see here, this is my funded account with Topstep. With the funded account today, I'm making $1,700. So being totally transparent with you guys, it's all there. I'm going to be one of the first YouTubers to ever do a actual payout from Topstep live on YouTube. So I'm going to do that video this week showing actually taking money out of the Topstep funded account. The first $5,000, you keep 100% of the profits. So market kind of setting up here possibly for another push up here. 3-minute chart kind of showing that 165 kind of possible pushback up. We got the MACD, maybe a little bit more of a pullback would be better here, but this market has just been grinding higher. We're turning that kind of previous area of resistance from earlier. We had this area of resistance there at the 60s. Right now, turning that into support, 61 area. So if they can hold that 60s, I would say we kind of get this breakout and then move up again above 70. You got 74 pivot there. We'll see what happens here. Get through that 70, push up their 74s. You guys see in the 3-minute chart right now, the 3-minute chart definitely looking very Patrick Wieland breakouty. But we only got 3 candles on that pullback there, so let's see what happens here. Oliver, today's the most fucked up thing to trade today. I mean, I don't know how you're having a hard time today. It just keeps going higher, my friend. It just keeps going higher. If today's a hard day to trade for you, then you got to change your strategy. Today should not have been a hard day to trade. I mean, you literally, this is the move this morning. I mean, from at 9:32, we have just gone nothing but higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. There's no excuse today. Like, there's literally no reason to lose money today. The only way you could have lost money if you're an idiot like me and maybe you bought at 46 and you got out at 39, but still a massive day moving up there. Get above this 69, 70 level, push up there 74, have that pivot point, and then after that, you're thinking today, if we keep pushing, definitely testing that 86 level here today. And then I would say over 86s, I mean, there's not, like, dude, the more we zoom out here, you can see like 80, yeah. So what's funny is back there on the 7th, we pushed up there to 80, kind of like 88s, and that was kind of where we hit today as well. So I would say we get over that 88 level, you got the resistance there, the 90s. Remember that 200 level is big resistance. So here on the 15-minute chart, you can see you got a lot of resistance above the 180s to the 200s, and even that was back there on the 2nd of February, all the way up to the 205. So a lot of resistance above 180 to the 200s. We'll see how it plays out here. Right now, that 15-minute chart. Look at this 15-minute chart. Oh my gosh. What a wild ride today. The market from the 180s down to the 114s, back up to the 170s. Big move today, big move. CPI, we knew that CPI number today would be a big mover, and that's exactly what we got, a big mover here. That volatility coming back in here and getting that action. Yeah, last week was total shit in the markets. All right, we're just sitting back here waiting and watching to see. I want to see if we're going to push above that pivot there at the 74s and test that 86 level again. Right now, just kind of consolidating, pulling back here. Still the MACD staying bullish. The MACD kind of is leveling off right now. We're holding there the 80 EMA on the 3-minute chart. We got the 21 EMA like down at the 150s. That 150 pullback, I think, would be even better, obviously. Kind of get more steam, get more power ready for the move higher here. But let's see if they're going to let it pull back to the 150 area. Definitely building a Patrick Wieland setup right there. The PW. I would love to go down in history as the PW setup people start talking about around the world. You guys ever seen the PW day trading setup? Oh, the old PW. I want to be like, maybe, I don't know. Let's have my own thing. He's famous for the PW setup, boner candles. I go on the news, CNBC, they're like, so explain your strategy. I'm like, well, look, what we're looking for is boner candles. The more boner candles, the better. We want those big boner candles. The ones that just go right straight up through your, right into your face. I would love to go on CNBC and talk to a reporter, talk to a personality about boner candles. You think they would beep it? You think if I went on CNBC, they'd be like, and I'd be explaining my strategy and I just said boner candle, they would beep it out or they would allow it? I mean, it's only sexual if you make it sexual, you know? They only make it sexual if you make it sexual, so. Oliver bought at 69. Well, that's That's a weird number to buy at, bro. I'm gonna be on TV, Graham. I'm gonna be on fucking TV. I'm gonna have my own TV show one day. I guarantee it. Watch. 100% I will be on TV at some point in my life. I don't know what it's gonna be for. Hopefully something good, not something bad, but I will be on TV. I'm gonna do it. I think I would be a great Jim Cramer. You put me in. Jim Cramer's getting old. Someone's got to replace him. CNBC, if you're watching, put me on. I would have the best TV show. Come on. There we go. Pulling back right now. Like I said, that 50 area would be a nice area to pull back. That 21 EMA is right where that 50 area is at. So let's see what happens there. Little reverse boner candle, little red boner candle. Market pulling back right now into the 50s. They got that 21 EMA. And that also, that 150 area was the close of day yesterday on the ES. Somebody's calling me. Get out. Don't call me right now. I'm live on YouTube. There we go. Pulling back. Wow. 52's coming up. The MACD looking a little dangerous here. A little dangerous here. I wish I could show you guys on the 3-minute chart. I can maybe pull it up here. 3-minute chart. Let me just pull it up. So you can see here on the 3-minute chart, I was kind of talking about these candles right here, just not having enough. You had that 1, 2, 3 kind of little pullback, and just wasn't enough to have that steam to push higher. So that was not the ideal type of setup. You really would want like 1, 2, 3, maybe pull back down to here. And then we get that breakout at some point. You know, you're basically like one of these. So now you're kind of looking for this to pull back, hold that 21 EMA on the 3-minute chart, and then kind of get that break back to the upside and try to test that 186 level. So that's what's kind of looking like on the 3-minute chart right now. We're right there at the, I think this is a 13 EMA. Yeah, that's the 13 EMA. So if we go to, let's do 21 EMA on this line. So we're right there at that 13 EMA now. And if anyone's wondering, this is the Topstep trader platform. It's basically Tradeovate. This is what we use to go through the combine into the funded account. This is what my funded account looks like. Same thing. The only thing different is you're going to see, you'll have the actual data over there on the level 2 there. But honestly, like I really do not look at the level 2 data. Like very rarely do I sit there and like stare at the level 2. Normally we have the book map for that, but honestly, like I was thinking about yesterday, like sometimes maybe knowing that, like seeing those levels on level 2 book map and stuff, maybe they also kind of fake you out in terms of, you know, maybe getting out early or getting in early, things like that, because you're seeing those orders on that level 2. But really, like yesterday, the market just went high. You know, when we had that push yesterday, even like here, like would you have taken profit early because level 2? Who knows? Deep pullback right here, 47.50 area. We kind of, the bulls need to hold here, I would say. The bulls need to hold. You don't want to get stuck right in this level and then keep going lower. Do people still watch the Fibonacci's? They do, I think. I think they still do. I think I'm the only YouTuber right now on YouTube that's trading, that's actually trading in a funded account. You guys, is there any other YouTubers out there that are actually trading in a funded account? I don't know. I think I'm the only one. I'm the only one, baby. For the ES. For the ES, yes. I don't care about Forex. Forex is a scam. Don't talk about Forex. Well, I got one more day in step 2 of the combine. One more day here. We get one more 3,000. All we need, so today we're at 156,000. We're at 156,800. So all we need is literally what, $2,200 in profit, and we're done. 156, 815. Yeah, we just need to make $2,100 tomorrow. $2,100 tomorrow, and then we're through step 2 of the combine, and we're done. Like I said, there has never been a YouTuber in the history of YouTube to actually go through and do it in 8 days. I'll be breaking the record, world record. Call Guinness up. Call the Guinness World Record. Patrick Wieland did it. He did it. All right, so we talked about that 150 area. Right now, looking a little bit more bearish. We needed to kind of hold there at the 150s to stop the MACD from crossing up, but we're pulling back here again. We got a lot of consolidation kind of in this. Remember that 38 level area held earlier, support. So if you are short, maybe that 38 area is a good target here. Through the 50, 45s. Now look at this thing. Back down to the 40s. What a day. Look at this action, my friends. We're up, we're down, we're up, we're down. Fuck, I really want to show the trading view chart right now, but I can't pull it up. Fuck. One thing that I do want to point out, check this out, right? Check this out. Let's talk about this. I think this is a good time to talk about this. If you look at this chart right now, we have this EMA right there, right? So let's say if you're thinking that, hey, this is, what's this line? Trade of 8 charts are so shit, I swear to God. I'm like, I'm thinking that honestly, I might just get rid of all EMAs from now on. Right? Like literally just get rid of the EMAs. Like the last 2 days of trading with not really like using all the EMAs, I'm starting to think that those EMAs are just really fucking up my overall bias here. Right? Because you can see that move right there. If those EMAs were not there, let's say there was no EMAs riding this move higher, well then it looks pretty much like a beautiful short when this thing breaks down, right? But the problem is, if you have the EMAs there, let's say we add, let's just say we put 2 EMAs on there. Let's say we put the 13 EMA. See, it doesn't look as good of a short. You know? Doesn't look as good as a short. But when we take the EMA away, right, like that looks a lot more like a good short. Like if you're sitting here and you're like, hey, if this thing breaks back to the downside here, can't hold that 50 area, well, it looks like a really good short opportunity. You know? I'm not dabbling in ICT for 48 hours. Everybody, the ICT people were so funny. What's funny though is a lot of the ICT stuff does end up lining up overall with simple things like pivot points and support resistance and all that anyway. So people, I think it's just it's a data thing. Like how do you look at the data in a different way? That's what ICT is. You know, people are like, oh, well, if you use ICT, you would have known. It's like, well, actually, I use ICT in a different way. Here's the 80 EMA. You can see the 80 EMA there getting tighter and tighter. So maybe the 80 EMA you could be on there. But, I mean, in general, I just don't know if it really, if that 80 EMA or the EMAs in general, like I'm second guessing my whole entire life now. I'm second guessing my life here. It's not a typical pullback. Yeah, sure. I don't know. Down there to the 30s again. It's obviously CPI day. CPI day, look at this action here. Rooster's crowing. You guys hear the roosters? How do you delete the lines on fucking Tradevate? Why is Tradevate so bad? Remove it. God. $15-minute chart here. Pretty much pushed right back up there into the 70s and right back down there to the 30s. Look at this dump now. Well, wowzers. Rock and roll, baby. Congratulations if you got short at the top. What a day to be alive. Talk about getting some fucking money today. I can't believe I don't have my computer to trade on. I'm making excuses, obviously, but I don't know if you guys have ever tried to trade without your normal setup. It definitely will make you second guess things. I just don't trust this computer for some reason. I don't trust it. It's not tried and true. Look at the 2000 tick chart here. Oh my God. Look at this move. From the 170s, just a perfect pullback back to the 24, 25s. It's crazy. We had a move from the hundreds up there. We got about 60-point move. You got another, 50-point move down there. The action is hot, my friends. The action is hot. Right back down to that pivot point at the 124, 125 level here. I think Abyss got long at the top. That's what happened. That's why the market crashed. Abyss got long at the 70s. Poor Abyss. Poor Abyss. Look at this thing down to the 20s now. Wowzers. We're just sitting back here. I mean, at this point, fuck. Definitely not going to short here at the bottom, that's for sure. After missing out on a 50-point move. You get a 50-point move in any direction, you don't take a trade after that, my friends. You just sit back and you be patient. This volatility today is rocking and rolling. I think if we break through 20s, we're going to break through the 14s next. Michael Lopez making $2,000 today. Let's go. No, I like those lines. I was talking about the lines that I drew earlier. You guys see the 3-minute chart for the fair value gaps on the 3-minute chart? Every single candle on the 3-minute chart pretty much is a fair value gap. That's pretty wild. Literally, every single 3-minute candle on the chart is a fair value gap. That's pretty funny. Interested to see what's going to happen here at the 20s. Will they try to reverse it back up now? Or do they sell through 20s, get down there below the 14s next? Do I hold any crypto? No, not really. Just some random crypto, but nothing too crazy. Cheryl, nice work taking profit. Nothing wrong with taking profit, especially after a 50 or 40 point move. You get a 40 point move, you got to think about taking profit, my friends. Right now on the day, we're in the green, beautifully in the green today. So we're just sitting back here waiting and watching. It's currently 5:45 here in Hawaii on the day right now here in the Topstep Step 2 account, locking in $3,700 in profit, $3,600 after commissions and fees. But pretty much, I don't think we had one losing trade. Did we have one losing trade? How'd I have a losing trade? Oh yeah, I had to lose. I forgot about that. I did have one losing trade I had to do. Lost $37 there. But I was 100% green. 100% green there. I had to force myself to lose $36. Looking like they're going to try to test that low of day again through the 20s here, down there to the 14s. Let's see if we're going to be breaking the low of day here at the 14s next. Definitely looking like she wants to set up here. There we go. Look like we're testing 14s, low of day. Wow, there we go. Look at it. Who does it like this? Who does it like this? What did I say? What did I say? Tested the low of day there through the 20s, down to the all the way to the 1175s there. Just got dumped on. They popped it back up, running those stops. Look at them. They did them dirty. They did everybody dirty down at the 14s. You know they did them dirty. They had those stops at the right below 14, and that's exactly what just happened. They ran those stops below 14 from the 14s down there to 11s, just getting stops and then right back up. Do they laugh? I don't know. I think it's probably just algorithms, you know. It's not like there's a guy sitting there. I think it's the algorithms. They get all that data. They know where everybody's sitting at, you know. If you think about it, like, where would everyone have their stops at? I mean, it's pretty evident. Where would you have your stop? You'd have your stop right below the low of day. That was right there at the 14s, and there's a reason that we went to 1175. Look at it, right back up there. So they basically just did a massive just stop run right there below 14, and now back up to the 20s. So that was great to see. We got to see these games. You know, the more that we see these games happening every day trading, the more we're aware. Look at that thing right back up there. Another 10 handles right back to the upside. They ran those stops there and then right back up. It's not a coincidence. It's not a coincidence, my friends. They see all those orders sitting down there right below 14. They take it out. They pop it right back up there. And then everybody that shorted here late to the party, if you shorted down here at the 20s, now you're like having to cover for a loss. You're getting squeezed out of it. So... look at that. I mean, it's almost too funny. Like, it's just like you gotta just laugh about it. If you got stopped out at 14, you're like, fuck my life. Look at this thing. Fucking right back up there. So we're back above that pivot point on the ES there at the 24-25 level. Market just ran. Everybody stops at the 14s, took everybody out, and pushed it right back up. I mean, I'm honestly impressed right now at how well they did that. I mean, they literally, like, just did that beautifully. Playing the game. They're playing the game, baby. Look at the 3-minute chart here. Look at that wick on the 3-minute candle. Look at that wick. Just took everybody out, stopped everybody out, and then popped it right back up there. Here on the 3-minute chart. Just hanging out, waiting to see. We're watching history in the making, my friends. Every day in the market, there's history in the making here. Watching right now, we just saw them run all those stops. Now the question is, what do they do next? Do they run everybody's stops and then take the market lower after they stopped everybody out on the way back up? Do they continue higher here? The $1 million question. Bruh. Why are you trading your regular account if you can trade the combine? Is that English? Why are you trading your regular account if you can trade the combine? I'm not sure if that's English or not. And they're pushing it back down again. God, all those shorts that got squeezed out right here, they're all like just hating their life. They're like, fuck me. Fuck me. They got squeezed and now it's moving right back down. So like the shorts that shorted there at the 20s are now, they got squeezed out and then the market pulls back down. They're just like, are you kidding me? Hating life. Just hating life. Why am I trading the Topstep combine? Just to do it on YouTube. Do it live on YouTube to show people that it's doable, because no other YouTuber has done it in 8 days before. People always complain about how the Topstep combine is hard. Why am I not trading my regular account? Because I still don't have all my setup. I'm literally only looking like, I'm not going to put a bunch of risk on and risk real money when I know that I'm not like dialed in, right? It would be like, I don't know, it'd be like me going and playing on the PGA Tour and only having one club. So that's why I'm not going to take not taking big risk. I took one trade this morning in the funded account, made $1,700, no losers. I'm pretty happy with that. Got 10 handles. Is what it is. So it's all live right there on the stream. Graham, it's not even that I don't about all the stuff. It's just I'm not comfortable. Maybe in the future, if I traded on this computer longer, I'd be more comfortable, but I'm just not comfortable right now. Not comfortable taking the risk. But yeah, I mean, $1,700 trading on a computer that I never trade on. The thing is, like, you gotta feel, you gotta feel good. Like, I wanna feel confident that, like, okay, I got my. I know it sounds like I'm making excuses here, but if I'm not in the right mindset, it's just not a good idea for me to risk real money. What percentage do you keep your wins after the fees? You keep 90% of your profits from the Topstep funded account. 90%. The first $5,000 you get you keep as well. First $5,000 you keep 100% of the profits. After that, you keep 90% of the profits. There's a link there in the chat box. If you guys want to learn more about the Topstep combine, all that fun stuff. I'm going to be doing a payout as well this week. I'll be doing a live payout to show people that you do get paid by Topstep. They do pay. It's not a scam. People think that like Topstep doesn't pay people. Blows my mind. They've been in business for over 10 years. Come on. Steven hitting the goal in step 1 of the combine. Let's go. You can withdraw 50% of the profits in the account. Correct. I mean, that's just normal. No trader would take out all the money from their account anyway, so. I mean, you could close the account. Like, you can close the account and then get all the profits if you really wanted to, but if you want to keep trading, you can only trade 50% profits there. Swede, one more day, baby. One more day. We got tomorrow. We get some more action tomorrow. We got one more day in step 2 of the combine, and then we're done, baby. Me and you. Tomorrow. Let's do it. How long is the withdrawal time from the request? It's pretty fast. They have a new payment program called Deal, D-E-E-L. Does like ACH, pretty fast transfers, so. I'll do a full video explaining the payout process and all that fun stuff. Again, I'll be the only YouTuber to actually film it live on YouTube, getting a payout. So, I don't know if that's an award that I get or not, but none of my competition has ever gotten a payout live on YouTube. So, dun, 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 dun. Just saying, just putting that out there. Market pushing back up there, 25s. Now we're just kind of chopping around this level here. We're right there at that pivot point. Right there at that pivot. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out, blow up that like button here. We got 689 likes on the stream. Can we get some more? And like I said, I'll be doing the vlog premiere as well later on today. doing the vlog from yesterday. We did that the other day. It's kind of cool. We get to all watch the vlog together as it's happening live on YouTube. Bum ba da bum bum bum. You guys hear the roosters? Bow, 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 bow. I got a video in the vlog of the rooster actually, so you guys get to see the real rooster in real time, real life. I bought a new computer, correct. I bought a new computer, it'll be here tomorrow. So the fastest that I could get it was Wednesday. I think I got a pretty good deal on it, so I'm happy with that. The FOMC members love to talk. They just love talking. That's like their favorite thing to do. Let's just talk. Let's talk about the same shit over and over and over. I mean, either way, even if I don't have all the indicators, like I still want my PC, like there's the overall like form and function of trading off this iMac is like not what I want to do. Also, the problem with the iMac too is the screen is like reflective. It's like a glass screen, so it's like reflective, and I can see like all the lights and stuff in the background. It's not ideal. Like I normally edit on the iMac. I don't trade on the iMac. So the iMac's just not, it's not ideal. That's pretty much what it comes down to. Am I maybe just being a bitch, complaining? Sure. But it's just, you know, it's my money. I want it now. It's my money and I want it now. JG Wentworth. I ordered the new PC. It'll be here on Wednesday. Little boner candle back the upside here, up to the 30s. Maybe we'll do a couple of trades in the practice account here, and just since we can't make more money in the combine anyway, let's see what happens. Maybe get a pullback. We'll just maybe do some practice account trading here. Pull back here the 28s again and get an entry. For a long, let's see. We broke above that 30s. There's 34s. MACD trying to push up here as well, so we'll see what happens here. Da-da-da-da-da-da. I feel like that music's a little loud. A little loud, the music. What are you trading? I'm trading the ES. What are you trading, Doug? We're trading the same thing every day. I thought we were past that. I thought we were past that point of people asking what we're trading. I thought we got past that point of people wondering, what am I trading? No, this is a practice account. This is just a practice account. I said I might put on a trade just for fun. Thinking maybe get this, looking for like a 38 area or a 28 area to pull back. Bow, bow. He's using a practice account. Oh my God. Tell everybody. Go on Twitter right now. Everybody screenshot this. Look. Look, everybody screenshot it. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Look, it says practice. Hurry. Screenshot it quick. Post it all over Twitter, please. Make sure you tag me. If you're going to post it, make sure you tag me at least. I want to get some more followers. Thinking like I would like to see that 28 area get tested again here. Should we just put on, I think I can put like 20 contracts on. 15 contracts. Make a 15 contract trade here. I gotta make sure I'm not in the practice account, not my real account. We're in the practice account. Looking for that 28 area. Still thinking 28s. Oh, I want to see something here. If I put a buy, I want to try something out. If I put a buy stop right here at the 36s, do we get a quick, like what's the, need to put a bracket on it. Put a bracket on this. Put a buy stop right above that 36 and see if we get a pop to 39s. We tried this the other day, the idea of just getting this quick pop up, because that would literally be on 15 contracts. That would be a couple, like a, what, over a couple $1,000 there in profit. Let's just see if it'll work. Let's say like 39.25 for 3 handles. Let's see if it'll work with 15 contracts. Let's see. This is for entertainment. Entertainment. The problem also is it's, you know, you're getting filled on the simulator too, so it's not, I wouldn't say it's like spot on, but we'll see if it is a possibility here. Get this pop over 36, go to 39s. 39s. Rooster's crowing. The rooster is speaking. He's crowing out there. He said, hey, we're going higher. We're going higher here, people. Far from financial advice. Don't listen to some idiot on YouTube, that's for sure. I don't even know what I'm doing. I have no idea. I just buy and sell. I just poke, just look at the charts all day. 36 is here. We didn't get filled, at least. I think if we get over 36 here, we push, like I said, 39.40 quickly. Keep this squeeze going on the 3-minute chart. Definitely looking bull flaggy here. Let's see if we'll get filled at 36 and then push up there 39 quickly. Let's see. 2,000 tick chart right here. Setting the brackets up, you go up to the top here. There's little bracket orders and you set it up like that. Just like that. See the bracket settings. Oh, we might get filled. 36s might push through. Oh no. Oh no. Let's see. Oh God, we're pushed. All right, there we go. Let's see if we make $2,000 here in 5 seconds. Let's go. We're pushing 39s. Come on. Oh gosh, we were up 1,500. We got to go 39s or higher here. Oh God. The rooster's still crowing. He's still out there crowing. He knows we're going higher. All right, we have not been in the reds yet. Let's see if they're going to push it 39s here. Oh. This is in the practice account, by the way. This is not real. This is practice account, practice account. Oh. Would have thought we would have hit 39 pretty quickly there. Just got stuck right now. Still trying to push. We have not been in the red on this trade yet. We were right there flirting with it, though. And now we're in the red. But I would say as long as 31s hold, it pushes to 40s next. Try to get that little quick pop up there, 39.25. Just didn't happen. Bum, bum, bum. The rooster's still crowing. I don't know. The rooster's still crowing, so we'll see. I would say at this point, if we start to push up through this level, we're going to go through 40s. So I would move my target up higher here. As long as you can hold that 31 area. No point in taking profit at 39s now. You would think we push through 40s, maybe 42, 43s. From here, easy. See if they're going to ramp it through here. Don't you love when, like, have you ever noticed that, like, your entry turns into resistance? I swear it's like a thing where your entry will turn into resistance. I swear to God, it's like a thing. Like that line, like my entry there, 36.25, it literally turned into resistance right there. It's like magical like that. So it didn't work out. We had a little plan. We were thinking over 36, push up there to the 40s. Market just kind of chopping around right here. Is what it is. Luckily, that was a practice account. So we lost the 30s here and going lower. Wow. Can't believe he did that. But still, like I said earlier, in the combine today, making $3,700 there. And then in my funded account, same thing. Making $1,700. So we're in the green in the real accounts. We lost in the fake account. Luckily, that was a fake account. But please, you can see here, VEZ1 live and active. Right there, live on YouTube. It's the real deal, baby. The real deal. Oh. We're back. The problem is I'm using wireless lavaliers, wireless microphones, and they lose battery after a while. Oh fuck! Now there's noise. I don't know what to do. This is off of my iMac, which is going to be terrible audio. So I think my wireless lavalier stopped working. I apologize. Don't know what to do about it. It should be... Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of wrap it up with you guys. I'm gonna do the little vlog premiere at 12. I've got some stuff I gotta do, some work anyway, so I wanna let you guys know that we'll be live tomorrow morning. I got one more day with this setup, and then Thursday we're back to our normal microphone, we're back to our normal screens, back to trading like normal. So make sure you tune in 9:15 a.m. tomorrow, one last final day of trading on the iMac. And we also have step 2 of the combine tomorrow, the last and final day. We gotta make like $2,000 in the step 2 of the combine tomorrow to hopefully finish the combine in 8 days. 8 days, baby. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. All right. Peace to the Middle East. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream. I know it wasn't the best quality ever, but we're doing what we can here. We're doing what we can. We're working with what we got. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning live on the YouTube. Peace to the Middle East. We'll be doing the premiere at 12 o'clock for the vlog as well. Check it out. There's a link there in the chat box. Hold on one second. Let me just post this in the link there for you guys. So everybody, let's get like people watching the premiere, you know? We gotta get them excited for the premiere. Where is it? Tune in, 12 o'clock. I'm pulling it up right now. Pulling it up. Come and watch the vlog live together at 12 o'clock. I'll see you guys then. Peace to the Middle East. And let's go. Another good day of trading, making money, and green.